The 2021 X-trail has been unveiled, although it has now been launched as a rock in the US market. The same model will reach our shores with the X-trail badge. It features the brand's signature V-motion grille and a slimmer LED headlights design up front. LED fog lights also come standard on SL and Platinum grades. The new X-trail is marginally shorter and lower than the previous generation, adding to its overall sportier looks. Nissan says aerodynamic features such as 3D tires, deflectors in the lower front fascia, and an active grille shutter to control airflow into the engine compartment has helped them improve the SUV's dynamics. The rear gets an bolder design, which seems to have taken cues from larger SUVs in Nissan's lineup like a Patrol. The overall design is much less clustered than the previous generations. The cabin gets a combination of a full-color 10.8-inch head-up display, 12.3-inch digital dashboard gauge cluster, and a 9.0-inch touchscreen display, all of which Nissan says are designed to reduce driver stress and help focus more on the road. For front-wheel drive models, a switch on the console controls 3 drive modes: Sport, Standard, and Eco. For the all-wheel drive models, there are 5 drive modes: Off-road, Snow, Standard, Eco, and Sport, also engaged through a drive mode selector mounted on the center console. The 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine carries over, but with tweaks that have pumped power up by 11 horsepower to 181 horsepower. Torque has been also seen a mild increase to 245 Nm. The 2021 Nissan X-trail is expected to reach showrooms in the Middle East by the last quarter of this year.